We want to identify the arithmetic sequences below. We can see for this sequence that it's produced by adding 6 each time. This being the case, the difference between any two terms is 6, and so this would be an arithmetic sequence with first term 9 and a common difference of 6. Considering this term, we can see the difference is 2p being added each time. So we continue this sequence by adding 2p each time. So this is an arithmetic sequence. The first term is p, and the common difference is 2p. For this sequence, however, to go between terms, we're actually multiplying by p each time. An arithmetic sequence is produced by adding, so this is not adding, and therefore not an arithmetic sequence. Consider the difference between the third term and the second term. This is not, for every value of p, going to be equal to the second take away the first. For example, if we took p equals 3, the left-hand side would be 27 take away 9, which is 18, and the right-hand side 9 take away 3, which is 6. So the difference between the third and the second and the first is not the same, so it's not an arithmetic sequence.